Okay, here we are back with the JBs with the crash repair of the Suzuki Smash, and as we can see here, it is now complete. The whole thing's been reassembled. All new panels, new bits and pieces, new lighting bar, nice new set of lights on the front here. Very nice.
Have you showed the spotlight?
New power supply's been put on, and here's the spotlights. I'm just gonna a quick demo of the spots. Really very nice. But it's what I like. Yeah, these are excellent. Because Richard's at the back of the convoy, so Richard's one of our safety riders. So that will be most excellent on the bike. New lighting bar fitted. Cobb's just finished fitting his side panniers. That's where his fuel goes and the water on the other side, and also obviously his bag goes on the back because it's quite a wide rear rack here. So we're nearly done. Unfortunately, the engine's given us a bit of a problem. Looks like the valve seatings aren't quite correct, so we're going to have to strip the engine down and have a quick check of that. But hopefully that shouldn't be such a big problem, and everything should be done by the end of this week. There we go.